Hello students, today's topic is thermodynamic probability. Thermodynamic probability. Before we get into that, normal probability என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். So probability நமக்கு total number of cases அது எது இப்போ தலையா பூவான்னு பார்க்குறோம் ஒரு காயினில் டாஸ் பண்ணும்போது அப்போது ஒன்று தலை விழணும் இல்லட்டா பூ விழணும் அப்படி தானே. ஸோ ஏதாவது ஒன்று நடக்கணும், தலை வேணும் அப்படின்னா ரெண்டில் ஒன்று ஒரு தான் ஒரு நடக்கும் சரியா. ஸோ number of cases in which event occurs to the total number of cases. ஸோ total number of casesல என்னது, தலை விழுந்து பூ விழுறது 2, 1 + 1 2, ஒன்று தலை விழும் இல்லட்டா பூ விழும், ஸோ 2. அதே இதில் நமக்கு பூ விழுறதுக்கு என்னது, ஒரு சான்ஸ் தான். ஸோ number of cases in which event occurs to the total number of cases. இதுதான் normal probability ன்னு சொல்றது சரியா. So normal probability is the ratio of event occurs, number of cases in which event occurs to the total number of cases. Okay, so for example, if the event occurs in x ways னு வச்சுக்குவோம் சரியா, then it fails to happen வந்து y ways. ஓகேவா, இப்போ நம்ம தலையா பூவை பார்த்ததுல ஒன்று வந்து தலை விழுறதுக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ், பூ விழுறதுக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ். அப்போ x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. அப்போ ஹேப்பனிங் அந்த ஈவெண்ட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து எக்ஸ்ன்னு வைக்கிறோம், ஃபெயில்ஸ் டு ஹேப்பனுக்கு ஒய் வைக்கிறோம். அப்போ மேலே என்ன வரும், எக்ஸ். ஏன்னா ரேஷியோன்னு தானே சொல்லியிருக்கோம், ப்ராபபிலிட்டி எக்ஸ் டிவைடட் பை எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய். ஓகே, இது சாதாரண ப்ராபபிலிட்டி. ஸோ ப்ராபபிலிட்டி ஈக்குவல் டு ரேஷியோ பிட்வீன் number of cases in which event occurs to the total number of cases. So to toss a coin, there is two things happening. One, x is event happens, then let us take x. Similarly, y is failed to happen. Okay, then normal probability is, x is number of cases in which event occurs to the total number of cases. Okay, this is normal probability. Here we are going to study thermodynamic probability. The definition for thermodynamic probability of a macrostate is defined as number of microstates corresponding to the macrostates. Okay, so thermodynamic probability or definition, it is defined as the number of microstates corresponding to the macrostates. Okay, so here we are going to see one small diagram. For this we are divide the phase into many cells. Okay, so here let us consider a phase. Let us consider a phase in which we are having two cells. Okay, number of cells is 2. One is Ni and another one is Nj. Okay, there are two cells in phase. The number of phase points is 4. Let us consider only. Number of phase points is 4. Okay, so Ni, Nj is nothing but number of, let us consider number of phase points which is assembled in Ni and Nith cell and Njth cell. Okay, so here number of phase points 4, take it as a B, C, D, which is the arrangement of cell 1 is and cell 2 is. Okay, so here we are going to see through a diagram. So number of phase points is equal to 4. That is A, B, C, D is a molecule. A molecule, B molecule, C molecule or D molecule. Then Ni and Nj represents the number of phase points in a phase ith and jth cell respectively. So here we have one diagram. Two cells in a phase Ni and Nj. Ni and Nj. There are 4 phase points. The arrangement of 4 phase points is like this. A, B. Here I am going to take Ni equal to 3. Nj is equal to 1. Okay. In the arrangement of phase points in a phase is like this. A, B, C. The another one is D. Then here B, C, D, A. Here A, C, D, B. Then B, C, A, B. Okay, A, B, D. So there are 4 phase points. Okay, here the arrangement of phase point is like this. Ni is equal to 3, Nj is equal to 1. So in phase, the micro status, the phase points is arrangement of phase point is like this. Okay. So here the thermodynamic probability is, what is the definition for thermodynamic probability? Thermodynamic probability of macrostate is defined as number of microstates corresponding to the macrostate. So, number of microstates to the corresponding macrostate. So, here we are having 4 phase points. Okay, so 4 factorial divided by Ni factorial and Nj factorial. So 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by Ni factorial is 3 factorial, Nj factorial is 1 factorial. So thermodynamic probability of a macrostate is 4. So similarly, in general, we may return as, in general, the thermodynamic probability is written as n factorial divided by n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial up to ni factorial. Okay, this is the general formula for thermodynamic probability. Okay. So thermodynamic probability is denoted as omega. Thermodynamic probability is denoted as omega, that is equal to n factorial divided by n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial up to ni factorial, which n1, n2, n3 is number of phase points in cell 1, cell 2, cell 3. So n1, n2, n3 may be number of phase points in cell 1, cell 2 and cell 3, etc. Okay. Then taking log on both sides. So log omega equal to log n factorial minus log n1, n2 factorial may be written as ni factorial because n is running from 1 to I. So log ni factorial. Okay. So taking log on both sides, log omega equal to log n factorial divided by n1 n2. So we may rewrite as log n factorial minus log ni factorial. So here we put summation because of I is running from 1 to n. Okay. Applying Stirling's approximation. Applying Stirling's formula. Using Stirling's approximation. What is the formula for Stirling's approximation? That is, if log n factorial is n log n. Similarly for this also, ni summation, ni into log ni, okay, minus n. N log n minus n. This is Stirling's formula. Similarly for log ni, summation ni log ni minus ni. Okay. So, okay, n log n minus n, then summation ni log ni minus into minus plus. So summation ni. Okay. Here we are having minus n. Here we are having plus summation ni. So summation ni nothing but capital N, total number of particles, phase points. Okay. So summation ni may be replaced as capital N. Okay. So, log omega equal to n log n minus summation ni log ni plus n. Okay. Okay. So, plus n minus n getting cancelled. What is the remaining term? N log n minus summation ni log ni. This is equal to log omega. Okay. The condition for maximum probability. Here we are going to apply condition. The condition for maximum probability is equal to 0. Delta log omega is equal to del. The derivative of maximum or minimum is equal to 0. Maximum probability equal to 1, but the derivative of maximum or minimum equal to 0. So we are going to put here as 0. Del log omega equal to derivative of this one. N log n minus summation ni log ni equal to 0. Don't forget to put 0. Equal to 0. What about the first term? Because it is a constant one. N is total number of phase points. So, if we take differential for constant one, it may be a 0 1. So, 0. Then minus del of summation ni log ni equal to 0. So, UV method padi derive panna, this is U, this is V. So, U into dV plus V into du. So, taking Ni into del log Ni is equal to, log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, so into 1 by Ni. Similarly, minus log ni differentiate panna 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, so ni getting cancelled. Okay, 1 minus this is ni log ni, then log ni into 1. summation ni into 1 by ni plus okay minus of summation okay ni into log ni differentiate panna 1 by ni plus log ni வச்சிட்டு ni panna into 1 that is equal to 0 okay so minus 1 plus log ni equal to 0 okay this is the thermodynamic probability this is the log ni into okay del ni into del ni so taking del ni as a common one so take it outside so 1 plus log ni into del ni equal to 0 this is the expression for thermodynamic probability okay